Hi there guys, Michael here. Thank you for watching this video. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to create an amazing little family tree for you and your family. And Excel is an amazing program for creating family trees. It's so flexible. So let's get into it. So the first step in setting up the family tree is making sure that you've got some kind of grid that you can work from. So the way that I set up my grid is I want the actual cell sizes in Excel to be the same height as it is the width. So the width needs to be roughly the same as the height. So if I highlight the whole sheet, I can right click and then I can change the column width. And I'll change the column width 3. So if I change the column width to 3, I go OK, then you kind of get like lots of little squares. So what I do is I could set up one little square here per person. So the way I set up the squares is I have 4 across and then I have 4 down. So it goes 4 across, 4 down, and then what I do is I'll just merge the cells. So I go into home, go center and merge. And here we have a cell. So also what I could do is we could put a border in this in here. So we can go control 1 and then we could go border, and I'll just use just the normal border, go outlined, go OK. And then I could also color in there. So I just make the color, give it maybe a nice bluey color. You could make it blue for boys, red or something for girls, whatever works for you. So what we've got is we've got one person here, and so what I want to do is we could have like this could be, call this one me. So here we probably want to center it, isn't it? Probably looks a bit better if it's centered. So we go into home and then we could center the whole thing. And then if I go copy, I could have a second person. This could be my sister. So just call that one sister. Okay, and then on top of that, we could have another one, and it'll be like, say, mum and dad. So we could have one here, another box here, and this box we could call it mum. And you could put the real name in there. And this one we call it dad, D-A-D. Okay, so here what we need to do is we need to join them together. We need to join these boxes together. What I do is, actually I might insert an extra row here. Looks a bit better this way. Okay, what I do is I put some connectors in. So I'm going to go into insert and I go into shapes. And then all I want is just a line. So then let's put a line there. So what I want to do is connect the line between these people. So what we could do is we'd just go, if you hold the Alt button down, it snaps to wherever the corners of the cells are. So if I snap this one to here, and I could snap the other connector there, and let's put one connector across us. So now we need a vertical. So we could copy this one, go right next to it and paste it, and we convert this one to a vertical. So hold the Alt down and we can drag it. Now it's vertical. So we copy that one and we could paste it here. And then actually we don't need that one now. Copy this connector, we paste it there. So now we have a mum, a dad, me and a sister. And if we end up with more kids, then I could just copy sister. I could maybe have a 4 spaces in there. Actually 4 is probably better. I'll just have 3 for now. So 3 spaces. We change that to brother. We call this one, oops, that's not spelled brother, isn't it? Brother. Okay, brother. And here we could copy these connectors, and I might put a connector here. And if you hold the Alt button down, you could just shorten it. It snaps to the cells. And this one here, we could bring it all the way along this horizontal cell line now. So we can go that one. Hold the Alt down and you could drag this to here. And now we connected it. So now we have mum, dad, me, sister and brother. So you could keep expanding this, become really useful. Our one's just become huge. You just keep on building it up. So if it gets too big, you add it to another tab. So if you add it to another tab, you could click new tab, and then you could copy some of this structure into the new tab and keep growing it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it's useful to you. If you've got any questions, leave some comments below. And if you want to see more stuff like this, or you want me to make more stuff like this, then just hit the like and subscribe button.